Today, I'm going to show you some quick and easy ways to create PDF files using the Google Drive app on your phone. Whether it's scanning documents, uploading pictures, or converting Google Docs and Sheets to PDFs, I've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. First, let's open the Google Drive app. Once you're here, you'll see a few different options. The first one we'll explore is the New button. Among the options, one of the best features is the Scan option. This lets you scan any picture or document using your phone's camera. Just snap a picture. Then click Done. And save it as a PDF file. Perfect for keeping your documents organized. Next, you can also upload any picture directly to Google Drive. Simply click New again, and select Upload. Once it's uploaded, open the picture, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Go to Print. And then click on this arrow in the top right corner. From here, choose Save as PDF. And click Save. Just like that, your picture is now a PDF file. And there you have it. It's the exact same process with Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.